place you under
drunk?
arrest, Jill. Yes.
No way.
So based on what we've seen on the tests.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Under the influence of an unknown substance. I don't want to accuse you of that.
No, he's
I don't know what. Are you?
No.
Hold on, ma'am.
Stand there and let her pat you down. Stop. Turn around and let her search you right now.
Searching me. Okay.
No, you're not. Turn around and face the car.
Are you guys fucking serious?
We're very serious.
I just got in a car accident. You're not going to help me? No. I'm not done.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
I'm the one who called. I live there.
Okay. Is there anybody in the vehicle?
Nobody's in the car. I hear somebody walking up the road here, I thought.
Yeah, I saw somebody. Yeah. Police. Were you driving the vehicle?
Yes. I need someone to help me.
Why did you walk away?
Because I'm trying to get help.
Okay. All right. Just head back over to the car here.
Thank you. I'm trying to call someone to come and help me.
Okay. You can understand where I'm coming from, though, right?
Where are you coming from?
Middletown Police.
Okay, and? Thank you for coming.
Okay.
All units out of the motor vehicle accident. Somebody check Cooper Road. We know where that might be.
Recent calls?
I got you.
I got 911 right
Oh,
here.
I understand.
Like, I don't know what to do. You can help me. I'm not used to these roads back here. I don't usually drive them, and I just looked down
I'm out
for a
with her right
second
now.
and I couldn't stop my car.
All right.
I'm having a heart attack.
Where are you coming from tonight?
Gabriella's.
Okay. Did you have any alcohol tonight or anything like that?
I had 2 drinks. I'm not even drunk. But I just wasn't paying attention for a second, and obviously that's
Okay, I understand that, but
Yeah.
how did you get straight here with the stop sign?
because I'm not used to these roads and I couldn't see, and I'm not wearing my glasses. That's why. Be careful. Oh my god, I just paid for this fucking car. That's the registration for the temporary. I can't.
No, that one's expired.
It's valid. I have
No,
valid
no.
insurance.
Yeah, that one's expired.
Don't worry about that for now, Jill. We'll take care
Hello?
of that whenever.
They're on 409.
I'm at Sleepy Hollow
And Cooper Road.
And Cooper Road. And I just didn't see this end of the road here. I must have looked at my phone. No, but I just fucking bought this.
Appreciate I'm in room.
Right here, the excuses start piling up, but notice how none of them change the facts. Whether it's distraction, poor visibility, or alcohol, every bad decision behind the wheel increases the danger for everyone else. Do you think this was just a mistake, or the result of a series of reckless choices?
All right, Jill, tell him you call him back here, okay?
Alright, I'll call you back. I don't have the address. I'll send you the location.
You're Sleepy Hollow
And Cooper Road.
I'm literally
Sleepy
at
Hollow.
Sleepy Hollow and
Cooper
Cooper
Road.
Road. Look at it on Google Maps.
Right off at 35.
Okay, bye. I have to get home to the babysitter.
4149. I'm in the center of town. I can head that way.
What are they got?
There's dogs at the train station.
All right.
So what do you guys need from me?
Jill, we gotta let you know, ma'am, you are being recorded on a body worn camera, okay? Just give me here. Put your bag in the car for me. Thank you, Jill.
Yeah.
Jill, step over
Not in
here
person,
for
but
me.
then, yeah, we're just
All right, Jill, step over here for me, ma'am. Okay, I'm gonna recite the ABCs for me. Okay? You're gonna start with A. You're gonna end with Z. You're gonna recite each letter individually and go nice and slow for me.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready to begin, go ahead, Jill.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Make sure you guys clear. Check your test data at this time. Unable to locate the total.
So, Jill, at this time, I'm gonna ask you to turn around. Hands on your back.
I'm really,
Place
I'm
you under
drunk?
arrest, Jill. Yes.
No way.
So based on what we've seen on the tests.
Are you serious?
Yes.
feel like I was doing everything pretty straight.
Okay, well, I'll just so while he's putting you in
Can
handcuffs.
you not
just,
arrest me? And
no, Joe, just put your hands behind your back.
I have 4 little kids, please.
I understand, Joe, but based upon what we've seen,
Really?
I'll explain everything once we get you in handcuffs here.
I feel like I was pretty straight. Yeah, that I see that, but I was looking at my phone.
Joe, like I said, when even just.
But like I'm talking about the test that I just did.
Well,
I walked straight
let's
and I did all the
I
things
know
you
you walked straight. You didn't.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? Leave it in the car. Just grab my phone.
Well,
please.
it's gonna get towed.
That's okay. Just grab my phone.
31-4-24.
I have
We're gonna need to hook for
children
one,
at
John's
home
Law.
and a babysitter, and I just need to let them know what's
Don't
going on.
want your bag?
I don't need my bag. My bag will be with
Your
my
purse.
car. I need my
You want your phone? Okay.
Please.
All right.
Thank you.
We're gonna head over to this car right here.
Can I just get my phone?
We're gonna bring it over.
Okay.
We'll
perfect.
take it.
Why are you arresting me? Can you just give me a ticket?
No.
The other officer was trained to the one that performed the test.
Yeah, like I don't understand how I didn't pass
Yeah, I
the
did.
test. I did everything you guys asked
I
me
did
to
not do the test, so I'm gonna let the other officer explain it to you.
do. Yeah.
Going around.
Here?
Yeah. Hang on.
Hold on.
Do you mind just
Yeah,
patting her
I'm
down?
going
I'm
to
gonna
the
quickly
car.
pat you down.
Hang
Can
on.
you do me a favor? Just stand right here so I can. You have anything sharp that can stick me? Anything in your pocket?
on me.
I'm just. It's protocol. I have to ask.
I have nothing on
Okay.
me.
All right. Just.
This is the moment many drivers never expect. The investigation turns into an arrest. Officers don't make this decision lightly. It's based on everything they've observed up to this point. Shock and denial are common reactions, but they don't erase the evidence already collected.
This guy. Just stand. Keep up straight. Ridiculous. Okay.
I'll go in the car.
No.
Hold on, ma'am.
Stand there and let
Please
her
don't
pat you
move.
down.
Guys, I passed all your fucking tests. I'm not drunk.
Okay.
Enough. Stop.
So it's on body
Stop
cam.
what?
Stop.
I know
Turn
that.
around and let her search you right now.
Searching me.
Okay.
No,
but I
you're not.
need you to
Turn
stand
around and face the car.
Don't push me.
Let's not make this worse than it
Yeah,
is.
I know.
Stop
not make this
moving
worse
away
than it
from
is.
me.
I passed
Jill,
the test.
Jill, let's not make this worse than it is. You're placed under arrest. Let's not make this worse than it is.
go.
We are. But we have to search you first.
I don't want
We have
my
a female
fucking
searching you.
purse. I want my phone.
We'll get your
She's
phone.
good.
We'll
I
get your
don't
phone.
want my
Come on,
purse.
Jill, let's get in the car.
I'll leave it in
Let's
the
not
car.
make the situation worse than it is, okay? Right now, it's only DUI. If you saw one of I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. Continue to be cooperative.
Okay, it's clear.
Okay? Continue to be cooperative, and then this will go very smoothly, okay? Well,
All right, Jill. You can come.
I'm going.
This
This
way.
way.
relax. Don't pull away, please. Don't pull away, please. All right?
4 little kids
I-
at home. Are you guys fucking serious?
We're very
I just
serious,
got in a
Jill.
car accident. You're not going to
Okay.
help me?
I asked you if you need medical attention. You said no.
No, I don't
no.
need medical attention,
well, then-
but I'm
then what
just
help
saying
you
I got in a car accident and I need help. I don't need you to fucking arrest me. Exactly.
You're under arrest for suspicion of drunk driving, Jill. Okay?
But I'm not drunk.
You said you had 2 beers and you failed some SFSTs.
But
That's the reason you're
I
placed under
felt
arrest.
I'm literally walking straight. I can
Jill.
see, I can talk clearly, so I don't understand what I'm doing wrong.
You will have the opportunity to blow into an alcohol test machine.
Okay.
Okay. And that's going to tell us your blood alcohol concentration.
I'm not going to
okay?
do fucking anything.
Okay, then don't do it. Have a seat.
Thank
please.
you.
Have a seat. Thank you. We have to.
I
we have
did
to-
everything you asked me at the test, and that's it. I'm
We
not
have to
doing
buckle
anything
you
else.
in, Jill. Okay.
I mean, you better. It's against
We
the law.
are.
if you don't.
Absolutely. We care about your safety very much, Jill.
Now the situation becomes even more serious. Resisting simple instructions after an arrest rarely helps. In fact, it often creates additional legal problems. A few seconds of cooperation here could make a huge difference in how the rest of the encounter unfolds.
Jill.
You want her on the box?
I put her cell phone. I'm Sergeant Mazur.
Okay, cool.
Okay. We're going to be very respectful. Nice to meet you, Jill. We're going to be very respectful to you. All right.
For a second, I thought
Just
it
be
was.
cooperative with us.
And-
Is that your phone, dear?
Oh, Tenny, yeah.
Is that your phone?
But it's like this.
Does she have a phone on her?
We have it.
We have it.
Somebody's phone is ringing.
It's probably hers in front.
All right. Jill, just be respectful, okay?
We'll let them know inside. No. Yes, it's in this car.
You have permission to answer it if you'd like.
I'm not gonna answer. We'll let them know when we get inside, okay?
403's following them in to run the box.
Let my friends know where I am.
And we will let them know in 5 minutes when we get back to the police station.
But do you understand that they're not going to know what to do right now? They're going to be nervous.
I understand, but we will let them know when we get into the police station. I'm driving right now and that is unsafe.
How many minutes?
313.
We're 4 minutes away.
Like, I just don't want them to go. You know what I'm saying?
I understand. There's police officers still waiting there. If they show up, they will let them know what's going on. When we get inside, we will call them back and let them know.
Like, I'm standing, like, but honestly, listen to me for 1 second and think of the like, common sense. I'm standing.
Listen carefully to the conversation. The driver insists she's fine, while the officers explain why they're proceeding. This is where opinion and evidence collide, and ultimately it's the investigation, not personal belief, that determines what happens next.
There in front of the 4-3 police officers. My friends are asking me where I am. The police officers are telling me where I am so that my friends could come there to get me.
I understand that.
No, I'm not done, sir.
Oh my God.
And they said, tell them Sleepy Hollow and whatever fucking street I'm at. Okay, so I tell them. Instead of them saying here, and then otherwise, possibly the police station, so that they know that they would come and get me.
We are going to call them.
Why wouldn't they give me that information? It's not helpful.
What?
Is all I'm saying. Like, use your common sense.
Okay, I will be sure to do that.
Give them this helpful information.
I will be sure to do that.
Next time, think a little bit more.
Oh, I'll think next time. Don't worry.
Keep that.
Yep.
I am. Go to the house, buddy.
You alright?
Yes, I am.
I'm struggling to stand a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
You okay?
Yes, I am.
Alright,
Thank you.
sure? Have you had anything to drink or anything like that?
No, I'm good.
Just watch the kid.
We got lots of calls where we had multiple cars.
Oh, really?
That you ran a red light, you were swerving.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What happened in the mirror here?
That's not good.
What happened? Was it like this?
Yeah, that's a...
What about this here? Did you hit something on the way here?
Yeah.
What'd you hit? Where at?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Where you come from?
From school?
What did you hit?
When I hit?
Yeah, with your car.
I don't know.
There's some damage on the car.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, can you change the location to 12?
That was done. That was today, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
You don't have any recollection of hitting anything?
No, I don't.
All right. Come on out to the roadway here.
Even after being arrested, the focus is still somewhere else instead of accepting responsibility. It's a reminder that accountability often begins long before the courtroom. It starts with recognizing the consequences of your own decisions.
So we're on a flat surface.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Can you look at me? Pull your glasses down.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. All right.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Did you hit 9 yet? No, it's okay. You want to take 9 steps coming back? Okay.
No, I know you are.
Alright, so at this time we have to place you on arrest for driving while intoxicated. No. Officer Pastor.
That's it. Rob's the guy, yeah.
Sorry, do you want to impact my car?
When you look at the list of charges and prior incidents, a much bigger picture starts to emerge. One mistake can be forgiven, but repeated dangerous behavior tells a different story. What do you think? Will this finally be the wake-up call, or is history about to repeat itself?
Sorry, for 1330, can I have one adult female in custody?
You want my car?
Yep.
One adult female in custody, yeah.
Step over here.
Hours.
Back of my car. Do you have anything in your pocket for anything?
No.
I'm going to do a light search of you, okay? I'm going to do it back of my hand. I'll just
Go around to the other side.
Good morning, ma'am. Officer Kramer, Mount Lower Township Police Department. May I have your license, registration, proof of insurance, please? Sure. Just seeing that my body camera's on, so you can audio and video record it, okay?
Sure, of course.
Alright, man. Just the reason for a stoppage, your registration expired.
It did? Oh,
yeah.
Wow. Oh, my God. I didn't realize that.
No worries. It just expired.
Okay.
You just weren't aware of it?
No, I wasn't.
Alright, no worries. Your license is fine and everything?
Yes.
Alright, as long as that's all good, I'll get you in the morning and get you out of here, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, hang on, I'll be right back.
Alright.
Alright, ma'am. Were you aware that your license is currently suspended?
So it was suspended for 90 days, but I got credit for having a lock in my car.
Okay.
6 to 12. So I went to the NBC and threatened them. They did tell me it may not show up in the system on my road until my car, but they will approve this in case because I didn't have it.
Okay.
But the judge did order the suspension for 12 days, and that was back on March 2nd. So.
Alright, so under your impression it's supposed to be dropped and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
I would never, after everything I've been through, I would never see part of it.
no, get him.
Yeah, my attorney warned me that it may not show up in the system. Definitely not in the next. NBC almost took it back to me. I had to call my attorney while I was there. Because I really took care of it last week.
Okay.
So I apologize. I wish I had a paper.
Yeah, I wish so too.
I had to take my IDRC
Right. Okay. Alright, listen, I'm not going to tell your car or anything like that. Alright, as of right now, your license is currently DMV, is currently suspended. Alright, so you just can't be driving right now? Alright, listen, I already got the ticket for the suspended driver's license. Bring that documentation to court with you. When you go to court and explain to them that if it is a DMV error, just explain to them it's a DMV error and then we'll drop the ticket. Okay, so we'll go from there. Like I said, so here's all your documentation back. I'm not going to tell your car, you just can't drive your ass, somebody come pick you up. Alright, and the car has to get registered. Alright, so your court date is on the 26th of this month at 10 o'clock at the address above the ticket, alright?
Okay, yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me, ma'am?
No, I do not.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, just, if you don't mind, I don't want you to get hit on the side of the shoulder. Just pull into the U-Haul and get a ride, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
What I'm dealing with?
Is she under the influence right now?
I believe she is.
She's still inside, correct?
Yeah. Listen, I just want to take the baby to school.
I understand that.
She's like yelling and screaming, and I'm like, all right, calm down. Let me just take her to bed, and then, I don't know who she called, but she called somebody.
Okay.
Like, oh, he's threatening me, and I didn't threaten. I've been recording it all, just to protect myself.
No, so you're trying to take the baby to school.
Yeah, I mean, like he's in his PJs. He got up early. I'm like, hey, stop posting stuff on Facebook when I believe you're intoxicated or whatever.
She didn't place her hands on you guys. Just
no, she. There was some threats.
Just trying to confirm that.
No,
threats? What kind of threats? And when you say that, I mean, it's different from just
arguing. No, like, like, oh, I'm going to call, stuff like that. But she's
call who?
Police.
Us?
Yeah, I don't know.
All right. What are you trying to do with this?
I'm not trying to do anything.
A restraining order, complaints?
Nope.
No, you don't want to do anything like that. All right. Where's she at inside the house right now?
She's up in a bedroom.
Okay.
How you doing, Miss Rebecca? Can I talk to you? Hi. I gotta let you know everything's audio and video recorded.
Take him away. Please, for the love of God, take him away.
Come talk to me.
He's a monster. He's horrible. He's abusive. He does horrible things in front of our son. He's a fucking monster. Okay. I need him gone. And I can't.
Okay. What happened today?
So he busted in my room. So he doesn't sleep here anymore. He sleeps downstairs. He busted into my room. Here's my son.
What do you got?
And he starts,
Yeah.
I think it's pretty bad already, right? So he's gonna grab me real quick. I am. Do I need to bring him? Do I need to come right now?
So, Miss Rebecca, he told me you're
He's
under.
supposed to be in school, so I don't.
He told me you're under the influence of an unknown substance. I don't want to accuse you of that.
No,
I don't know what. Are you? I don't want you to drive if you want.
No, I can totally drive myself. I'm right now. I'm just very upset.
I would feel more comfortable if.
I'm during you the one whispering to you that
How many other kids do you need to fuck up? I'm not gonna let you fuck up my son.
Okay.
You fucked up Nick.
All right, stop cussing.
You fucked up Ashley.
Stop.
I'm not aggressing. I'm just